boring, come make a calm morning tea with me. If your morning always feel a bit rushed or chaotic, come make a calm cup of tea with me. Nothing fancy, just simple, honest comfort in a mug. First thing, I boil some water. No secrets here, just clean water and a quiet moment before the day starts. Once it's hot, I add a pinch of tea masala and a tea bag. I love using tea bags because they are quick, but the masala still makes it very special, like a tiny ritual instead of just caffeine. I think morning tea shouldn't be about showing off. It's about feeling grounded and present, even if you only have 5 minutes before work, class, or content creation. When it starts to boil, I pour in some milk, then reduce heat to low. Let it simmer gently for about 10 minutes. That slow simmer is my reminder I don't have to rush everything in life or online. While it simmers, I like to just breathe, maybe plan my day or think about one small, honest thing I want to share online. This is worth sharing. So tell me in the comments below, how do you like your morning tea? Strong, milky, masala, black? I would love to get ideas from you too. If you enjoy simple real life moments like this, no bragging, no drama, like, share, subscribe for more calm recipes and honest lifestyle content. Let's build a corner of the internet that feels like this cup of tea, warm, gentle, and real. Bye!